Hey guys, what's up? Jeremy Schaefer here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold an ordinary used up cardboard roll of toilet paper into your very own desk chair. And I'm going to show you how to make a table so you can put chairs at the table, all out of the rolls of toilet paper. Want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. All right, so let's start out by flattening the roll. Crease it well at both sides. And now we're going to flatten it in the other direction and make sure that these 2 points come together so the crease is right on the middle, and same on this side. Crease it sharply. And now fold it in half. And unfold and turn it over and fold it in half again. And unfold, now open it up, and we have the square here. And now we're going to pinch these 2 edges together. But we want this crease to not get folded. So pinch, pinch, pinch. I notice my fingers are inside the roll, like this. So it's like that, and the same thing on the other side. Let's pinch these 2 edges together. So it looks kind of like a milk carton with a very long top to it. And now reach in here and push this point up and bring these 2 edges together and these 2 edges together. So it's a reverse fold like that. And turn over and repeat on this side. Now open this so that it's flat. And here we have some sort of avant-garde wine glass. Let's fix it up by bringing this edge over here. So just bring it down, push it down, like that. So bring these edges together and these edges, like that, and do the same thing on the other side. So we're taking this edge and pulling it down, like that. And now our cardboard wine glass looks slightly better. We're gonna make it even better. Let's take this edge and bring it in. By the way, we really are making a chair. We're not making a wine glass. Well, we are making a wine glass, but then we're gonna transform it into a chair. So we're just pushing this edge in, and this is to taste. These are the legs of the chair, or the neck of the wine glass. And like that about. We're just trying to narrow the neck. And now let's do that on the other 3 edges. So here we go. Just push it in. Notice my fingers in to provide support. These are some pretty thick layers. Yeah, that's looking okay. And 2 more to go. This is finger exercise. Finger aerobics. Squash that cardboard. I sound like I'm using the bathroom. Okay. And at this point you can kind of push on the bottom and hopefully it'll go inside. And it's a bouncing wine glass. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And there's the wine glass. Now let's turn it into a chair. So pick what side you like to be the back. I want this to be the back. So I'm going to push this front in. Now what we're really doing is we're making a diagonal here and a diagonal crease here. So push it in and pinch the diagonal there and the diagonal here. And you can maybe curve this or not. It's your choice. And so there's the chair, and you might want to just fold the top of the chair in a little bit so that it's not a raw edge, so that it looks slightly nicer maybe. It is a cardboard model after all. It's not going to look that nice. Well, it all depends on your taste. And this can round out a little bit. And there it is. And now you can make a bunch more chairs, and you can make a table to go in the middle. And for the table, I'll show you right now. All right, so for the table, we're going to just crease along right here, so it looks like a teardrop, just on one edge. And now get out your scissors and cut along that crease. Yeah, this is not pure origami, and that's why it's on my variety channel. Well, now we have a rectangle that's even more like origami than pulling out of these toilet paper rolls. So this will be the top of the table. And now let's turn over and fold the four edges in. And this is to taste. This is going to be the rim of the table, the thickness. So it's like that, and do the other side. And do the short sides. And when you do that, when you come to the corners, you can just pinch them. Well, let's fold it all the way across. Try to keep it an even thickness. Okay, now pinch it like that. And do that on the other three corners. And if you want, you can try to pull that corner inside to lock it, but I'm not going to do that. So there is the top of the table. Looks pretty nice, a little curvy maybe. It's a warped table. Okay, now we're going to make the stand for the table and decide how tall you want the table compared to the chair, and then just fold it in. And try to make it even all the way around. And you could glue it on, but I think just placing it there is fine. Alright, so here we have the table, and now it's a desk, and now it's a dining room table. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that, and uh-oh, earthquake! And see you later.